Hey everybody, Kevin with Outdoor Inspirations. Today we're going to talk about well lights. There's so many well lights available in the marketplace to choose from, so we wanted to go over a few of the well light varieties with you to help you decide which may be the better solution for your landscape lighting design. So we're going to have an unboxing here in a minute, but first I wanted to go over a few varieties that have been around forever. So this one is a small to medium size well. It would get buried in soil and or concrete, etc., depending on your application. And it has multiple components to the shell, which are, this one's via screws to get to the lamp source. So you take the screws out, pop the top, put in a drop in. This one happens to be MR16. They make bigger ones that'll take a larger lamp called a PAR 36, which will give you more lumens, more output. And it's an all-around nice fixture, nice well light to use, but it has disadvantages. So these screws can get corroded over time. They can rust and they can even bind. They can get stripped easily, so as you maintain this fixture, checking, cleaning inside, replacing lamps, you can indeed start stripping the screws. So we've kind of shied away from this one as new varieties have come to market that have provided to be a better solution. The next solution alternative is another old school well light system. This is a larger PVC well, which will take a variety of lamps inside it. You can do the larger PAR 36, or you can have an adapter plate inside to put in just an MR16. What we like about these is you can bury them, again, multiple depths. Typically this is just buried into dirt or mulch. We wouldn't try to core drill this booger into stone or concrete. It's way too big. So this one's very good. It has a nice quick top pop top, quick top, and that makes maintenance a breeze. And so these top shields can also be ordered to do a breeze. These also can be ordered as an angled top piece. This is our preferred method. I wish I had my angle piece here. It's in the warehouse. But these are an angled top protectant. So your leaves and sticks that fall down from the trees, they actually will bounce off easier down to the ground and won't block your light source. We use these a lot still today, and you know, very economical. I think most of these systems are $25 to $45, $50 range, plus the cost of your lamp inside. All right, so this is a good solution. As you know, lighting's evolved, we've come into more integrated fixtures, and they're getting smaller in the meantime. So here you have an integrated fixture. It's a well light, and again, we can bury this typically in a housing of concrete stone. We'll core drill that out, or you can have a sleeve that's custom sized so it pops right in. So now I can put this, mount this right in the dirt. All right, but typically if we're in the dirt, we're just going to go with a spotlight. We're not going to choose a well light typically. So a lot smaller scale, you know, similar scale to your old school drop-in integrated, very similar sizes. So we use these very often. They make these even smaller than this. So this is a 3 diode well light. They make a 1 diode well light. So depending on how much lumen and output you need, you'll choose accordingly there. Now with this type of well, old school well, you are typically a fixed setting for your lamp, so it's really just going to shoot straight up. This one happens to have a shroud built onto the top frame, so that allows for the people viewing to block that glare. And then it tapers down to the subject, so it opens up a little bit more light in this direction, but typically it's going to shoot straight up. The next one, if we take the top off, this one has an adjustable gimbal bracket inside. So although, see that? So although it looks like it's going to shoot straight up, we can actually articulate this to get a little bit more adjustment out of it, and that can be a better solution for you, especially when you're in a bind and you need a little bit more angle. This one is typically fixed, so it's shooting just straight up. So as we unbox the latest and greatest in well light technology, let's see what we got here. Okay, got a rim here. Let's put this down. Okay. All right. So got a flange, it looks like. Okay, a flush ring. Alright, so this thing is super heavy, and what we ordered these in for, so these are core drill capable, so we're going to core drill these into the ground, or the concrete or stone, etc. So they'll actually be flush. And what this ring does, this flange ring, after we core drill this size into a surface, you got a flange ring that allows this to hold steady to the surface top. So one other thing that's really awesome is, okay, so this top piece comes off. This is adjustable, has a gimbal inside. So this is an integrated fixture with a gimbal inside it. Okay, so that allows us to change our design pattern on the spot without having to worry about, oh darn, we've core drilled here. But part of our design work is to see how we're going to get the light exactly where we need it. And this is a very useful tool, because when you're dealing with hardscape core drilling, it's really a good solution to be able to turn back onto your source, your subject, especially when we're in driveways and angled areas. Now we can kick that beam back a little bit with this gimbaled action. Okay. Another neat thing with this particular fixture is it has adjustable lumens via circuit board. So, integrated, typically you order specific to the lumen output needed and the degree spread of the beam. With a drop-in, you're selecting a lamp, LED lamp, that has a particular lumen wattage beam spread. Well, with this new variety offering, you can adjust the lumens right inside the body. So it has an adjustable range of lumen output. So we can go from 0 to a little over 1100 lumen output with the same fixture. So that's super handy to have that adjustability on the spot. So that's really nice. So that's what we wanted to kind of unbox and unveil with you today, is the alterations between all these different well lights and how they may be a good solution in your next sliding project. If you like what you see, please comment and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it. And we hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.